Introducing DD Dish MPEG-4 iCAS DTH system.
Technical specification and features of DD Dish MPEG-4 iCAS DTH system.
Fully compliant with MPEG-4 SDDVB S2. Capable to receive subtitle streams compliant to N300 743. Compliant with advanced security. EPG multi-language display setting, local time reminder, OSD setting and parental lock are supportable. Allows over-the-air secure software upgrade. Supports 7-day EPG, teletext and subtitle. Support SD 576p, 576i, 480p, 480i video resolution. Low power consumption.
Installation of DD Dish MPEG-4 iCAS DTH system.
Install the dish antenna. Install the low noise block down converter with feed horn, LNBF, in dish antenna. Connect the cable from LNBF to set-top box STB. Connect the AV from STB to TV. Track the antenna as per required satellite. Receive a maximum signal in DD Dish home channel of transponder 11,630, symbol rate of 30,000 and polarity V, and then activate your channel. And enjoy your channel.
Channels available in DD Dish MPEG-4 iCAS set-top box. There are 137 channels including 34 MHRD educational channel.
To activate your iCAS set-top box, you have to send your name, mobile number, complete address with PIN code, and iCAS set-top box serial number to our mail provided in contact section.
Contact us in our mobile number 97277-07570 or 97277-25763 or email us in support@mcbsintl.com or scmftastb@mcbsintl.com. Check our website www.mcbsintl.com for more products related to set-top box. Thank you.